Adrian Mowat, emerging market equity strategist who believes that earnings will remain subdued in the coming quarter as well, and global events will impact India more than its own macros. Mowat also recommends to invest in cyclicals as of now, and he also says that don't be in a rush to buy the market. It's going to be a long summer patch and a bleak one at that, when you will find opportunity to buy into the markets.
It's really difficult to see the drivers of that earnings recovery beyond maybe exporters having numbers flattered by a weak Indian rupee. You know, the macroeconomic data for India is sort of okay, but I put it more as sort of steady as you go. There's maybe a little bit of pressure on the funding side, which is sort of a global phenomenon as interest rates move higher. And also as currencies are weaker, it will have an impact on people's ability to fund abroad, even if the RBI is not necessarily indicating much change in funding rates. So I kind of agree with you that, yeah, earnings are probably going to disappoint again for the market broadly, and perhaps why we're seeing such a sort of polarization in performance. You were discussing this earlier with the performance of the IT stocks, is that people are funneling their attention into the export earners. Absolutely believe in the thematic of financial penetration, expanding in India, a rapidly growing middle class that will want to buy these types of financial products, such as insurance products. So do expect high growth rates. But as is the case with quite a lot of stuff listed in the Indian market, valuations often reflect those high valuations. And so just to be clear here, I think we will get an opportunity to add risk in India. The underlying fundamentals are relatively solid, but I think for now, India is going to continue to be buffeted by some of the global issues that are hitting emerging markets. And I also think that we could have a domestic issue here, which would be the election cycle being accelerated, and that could also have an impact on risk appetite in India as well.